So in Duolingo, we're gonna learn Korean, but it needs to be attached to another language like this when we go to learn our Korean lessons. And over here on the top, it says, let's learn Hangul, get to know the main writing system in Korean. So this is ya, el, yeah, o, yo, u, you, L, E, yeah. But it needs to be attached to another alphabet letter. It needs to be attached to Hangul, to Filipino, so that the Filipino will be attached to Hangul, to South Korea. So let's get started and learn the letters.
O,
So it's U. You need to trace the character like this. This goes to bottom and over here. It's U. It needs to be perfect.
E,
It's A. Down. It's like a letter H. Like down. Slant. Like a sleeping line and down.
사,
Sa.
파,
Ha. Oh, it's the wrong way. There you go.
소개, 가가,
Skaga. It needs to be like a 7 number. So let's check it. Okay.
뭐가,
Sbuga.
뭐가,
오,
Sbu.
에,
Okay.
사, 파,
Is ba. Instead of ba, instead of A is B. See? It's really easy.
마마,
It's mama. Mama for mama. Mama. Mom.
서가,
Suga.
서가,
오,
Suga is O. Like that. Oh, it needs to be completed.
에,
There you go.
사,
Sa. There you go.
파,
Pa. There you go. Is Gama.
가마,
거,
Is Ko. Needs to be Ko.
모,
As
거, 에,
A. A. Is like that. Like that. There you go.
사,
Sa.
파,
Pa. Here. Here. It's a ba. What? Instead of like this is not ba. It's less sound.
무사,
It's busa. Is this it? Oh,
가마,
is this it? Come on. Wait a minute. It's a hard exercise, so that is. It needs to attach to Filipino. Wait, guys, okay? Can you wait for me? So here, guys. So this one is attached to Lola. So there's a line. You need to attach this to Lola. But why do Mama is not in place here? Needs to be connected to another line that is called Hang. This is called Hang. When you put the line, it becomes Hung. And you put the line, it's Hang. So why do Duolingo keep doing this hard lesson. It needs to be attached to Filipino again. Here. So, I'm gonna put mark out because it's not attached to Filipino. So that's it. So, this word, it's Korean. This word is Korean. But why do we put plus instead of mama? So there's M, A, M, A. This Korean word plus mama, why do it keeps always? So when I put the equals in it, the equal is gu plus mama equals, what is the question? What is the question, guys? What's the question? What did you say? It's gulko? You are right, it's gulko. You have to start with a rectangle like this and put a number 7 like this and put a line on the right of the 7. It's ganggul. But this wrong. I will put a square on the right of the Korean word. So I'm gonna type here Lola. Lola. It's like a Korean word. There you go. It's Lola. So it's Lola. It means I'm gonna put a mark out here. This letter A, it's over here. The letter A is over here. The L is here. O is here. But where is the last letter L? You need to add another line and a circle on the right. So it's called Lola. Now there's 4 characters and letters over here. So let's go back to Duolingo. Let's see the answer. So what I'm gonna do in Duolingo is to press X. Let's quit the game. So the Hangul needs to be hard by going home. It's unit 1. So we need to start over here by the star, and let's get the treasure stats when we're done. Let's press the star. Let's start.
가,
It's ga. It's G and A. It means ga. So, can you find this character in your Korean lesson? Let's see. So, it means ga. Do you hear it?
가, 가, 가,
It looks like pa, but it's ga. It's G-A. Instead of P and A, it's ga. So let's see the correct letter when we go ga. It's correct. It's ba or ga. Let's continue. It's ga this way.
가,
On the corner right. Up. Let's check it. So this one is the magic pairs. Let's see if you get it correct. Okay, So there's 4 rectangles and a circle in the center. So what we're gonna do in the 4 rectangles? So let's zoom in. Okay, we're going over here on the center of the circle. So what we're gonna do is to draw a line. And then we're gonna connect each of the rectangles. And then we're gonna erase it. It's erased now. And let's put the Hangul alphabet. Okay, so these bunch of letters and characters that we draw, it's to get a pencil and put a shadow on the bottom. Okay. So what we're gonna do is connect here, and here. But how about these 2 characters? Where will they go? It goes over here and it's connected. Okay, let's go back to Duolingo and see the lesson. Okay, we're back in Duolingo.
Do.
It's do. Do. It's D-O. Wait, there's something wrong with Duolingo. Why did Duolingo keep this Korean lesson? Let's go quit the game. Let's go to YouTube. You have to watch this video in YouTube.
Annyeong! Hi, I'm Billy, and in this video series we'll be learning how to read and write Hangul. Hangul is the word for the Korean alphabet. Now you might be afraid to learn Hangul or think that it's too difficult, because at first glance it might just look like a bunch of circles and sticks, kind of like an alien language. But once you learn the basics of how it works, Hangul is really simple to learn. You can actually learn how to read and write it in just a few hours with some practice. I should also note that although it might be tempting to just write Korean using the English alphabet instead of learning Hangul, doing this will really hurt your progress in the language as soon as you begin learning any grammar. So learn Hangul now, and you'll thank me later. Hangul is unique because unlike other writing systems, it was created fairly recently, in the mid-1400s by the king at the time, who was named Sejong. Before Hangul was created, the majority of Koreans simply could not read or write their own language. So people who were wealthy and educated at the time would instead read and write using the Chinese language, because the Korean language didn't have a writing system. Fortunately for us, Hangul is an alphabet, just like English uses an alphabet. So you won't have to memorize thousands of characters like you would if you wanted to read and write Chinese or Japanese. Instead, there are just 24 unique letters that you'll need to know in order to read and write any sound that you want using Hangul. So let's get started learning our first few letters. Here's our first letter, and it's a consonant. What is a consonant? Hangul, just like the English alphabet, is made up of consonants and vowels. Now vowels are the letters A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y, as you probably learned in school.
So, did you hear that, boy? It means the vowel, it's A, E, I, O, U. In Filipino, it's A, E, I, O, U too. But the Korean don't use this English because it's too easy to learn. So bye-bye guys. Enjoy the video and bye-bye. Did you enjoy the video guys? Learn Hangul in schools or in your home and practice how to write them. Bye-bye.